Hello everyone, welcome to the WSN Practical Series. In today's session, we'll study about basic MANET implementation with packet animation. So MANET is Mobile Ad-hoc Network. So using OMNeT PP, that is OMNeT++ and INET Framework, we will simulate the Mobile Ad-hoc Network, that is a MANET. So ensure that you have installed the latest OMNeT PP version and also the INET Framework. Then in this case, we will visualize the packet transmission between mobile nodes and study the dynamic topology formation and communication in wireless networks. So now let us start with the practical. I will turn on OMNeT PP. I have installed it and also the INET framework. So here I have OMNeT P++ ID. So this is the interface we get. So I have installed this INET framework. I just click on this. The advantage is that we get many models in this case. So for this particular example, we'll go in this examples. In examples, you can see here we have ad hoc. I'll just ad hoc. In ad hoc, we have ideal wireless. So this is one of the advantage using INET framework is that we get many models. We don't need to create a new one. We can just click, drag and drop. So I'll just click on this net ideal.net file. So is the network file and also the OMNeT pp.ini file and also the OMNeT ini file. So these two files are required for running this simulation. I'll just explain this part because it's the first practical. So in this, what the various icons represent. So this is the network, NET network. So this is the complete MANET simulation network. All the wireless nodes and supporting modules are contained within this. So this is the network, within this network. Then here we have the configurator. So the configurator is responsible for automatically assigning IP addresses and configuring the network. So instead of manually configuring each node, this module performs the network configuration automatically. So it assigns the IP address. You'll see if we have 2 or 3 hosts, then this configurator automatically assigns the IP addresses. Next, we have the radio medium. So the radio medium represents the wireless communication channel. Whenever one node transmits a packet, this radio medium propagates the wireless signals to all the nodes that are within its communication range. So next we have this hosts. So here this symbol represents the wireless nodes in our mobile ad hoc network. So the notation host and num host indicates that the simulation creates multiple hosts according to the specified value in the configuration file, which I'll show afterwards. Then next we have a visualizer. So this is the visualizer. So it displays the simulation graphically. During execution, it shows node movement, wireless communication, packet transmission, and packet reception using animations. So this is the part of NED. Now, now in also NED we have two parts. One is the design, and here we have the source. Okay. So here everything is done in the INET framework. We don't need to write anything here. Then I'll just click on this OMNeT pp.ini. Now this also is the important part. What the various configuration about the host. So here it gives the mobility. Then here the pinging options, and there are other settings as well, as we can see in this case. So we can even change the number of hosts. So here this is the number of hosts. By default it is 2. We can change it to 3, 4, any number of hosts. So let us now run the simulation. I'll just click on this and the design part, and here we need to run the application. So it starts, as you can see here. It may take some time for the very first time building and everything. So now the build process is complete. It took almost 1.5 to 2 minutes. I am just skipped all that part. So now we will run this particular simulator. Now after the build process, let us run it. I'll just click here. Now this is the simulation, the mobile ad hoc network. So here we only have two hosts. They are pinging each other, host 0 and host 1. And we can see this events. We can even just fast forward this, okay? And even run it to end, clicking here. Okay, so the simulation is ended. Now what we observe in this case, these are the we can say events which are occurring here, registering and so on. So here we can see the node initializes, then they are assigned the IP addresses. So all the event logs are present here, what they are pinging. So we can actually filter them. I'll just click here and just filter for only host 0. I want to see what the logs of host 0 are. So here this is the final outcome. How many transmissions were done, how many signal counts were done, receptions and so on. And here the host 0 was assigned some IP address. So I think this we can see here there are many log information. Okay, so here just we can see one this message. So pinging, and so source address is 10.0.0.1. So the IP address of this host 0 is 10.0.0.1, and another host, there are only two hosts, so the other is 10.0.0.2, and the type of message ICMP message version 4, the header length. So all these informations are there in the log, how many messages were sent and how many were received. So this is how we can perform this practical. Now we'll just close this simulation and we can come to this OMNeT PP INI. We can even change the number of hosts as I told you before. So here the number of hosts are 2. We can make them to 5 and then just save this and then again come back here and again run this. So now we will have 5 hosts in this case making up the network. Just click OK. OK for all the cases. So here we have 5 hosts. We can even run this. So now each host will ping the other one. We can just run them this way. So as we can see, the hosts which are in the range, they are pinging each other and also getting the reply. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.